On the side of your house here, you'll see your electrical meter. This is what monitors the energy coming into your home from the grid and also monitors the energy that you're exporting when you produce excess solar that's not already used in the home. Once the electrical inspection passes, the utility will either commission your meter or install a new meter so that it's bi-directional. So currently we're in the area around your main electrical panel. This is where we're going to mount the inverter if you opted for a solar edge system. Next to it will be something called a TP-Link. This is what connects your home's system to the Wi-Fi. If you opted for an APS microinverter system, the inverters are actually located on your roof underneath the solar modules. So this will not actually be located next to your main electrical panel. What energy monitoring does is allows the client to monitor not only how much solar is being produced, but also how much energy is being exported to the grid and imported from the grid. Now, if they have a solar edge system, they can also opt in for the solar edge energy monitoring. The advantage to the energy monitoring system is that it's all at your fingertips on an app, and it also is smart enough that it starts to learn the different loads in your home. It can tell you when you're using your dryer, when you're using your fridge, when you're using your dishwasher. It has a smart integrated AI that allows you to learn all these things and learn the habits of your home. So this is what it looks like underneath the solar array. You'll see something called rodent guard. It's essentially a plastic mesh that goes around the perimeter of the array that prevents rodents and squirrels and pigeons from getting underneath there and nesting. But also it prevents a lot of service issues down the road. If pigeons and squirrels can get underneath the array, they can get at the wiring and everything electrically underneath there, and that can be a big problem. We have something called an RT mini footing, which penetrates the trusses of your roof. This is an engineered solution that's completely weatherproof, on top of which we put a rail system. The modules themselves sit on top of the rails and then are secured to the rails with some clamps. In some cases, we may run some PVC pipe. This may be used to either connect separate solar arrays or to run the electrical wiring over to the location where we then go down the side of your home. So here you can see the finished product. This is what the solar array will look like on your roof once it's all said and done.